Hey there everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today's video we will talk about how you can upload a long video story on your Messenger. Now by default, you can't upload a video which is more than 26 seconds. Now we will show you how you can do this process in this video. Now first things you gotta do, just go ahead and open up your Messenger, and now you have to apply a tricks. And what is a tricks, you may wonder. Here is what you need to do is simple, just go ahead and send the video file to yourself. Now here, go ahead and choose your conversation, and then go ahead and tap on this little icon right there, which is so-called gallery icon. Go ahead and tap on there, and now go ahead and just decide which video you want to send to your story. Now select that video, and then go ahead and tap edit option. Now once you're here, you're going to see this option called your story right over here. Now tap on your story. Now go ahead and tap add, because your video will stay on your story around 24 hours. Now after you do that, your video will be uploaded and it will be length will be as similar as it is now, okay? Alright guys, now we have done uploading the video to the story. Now this is the time to check whether it is staying more than 20 seconds long or not. So what I'll do, I'll basically start with the stopwatch, and I'll just get out of here and I'll open up my Facebook from here. Obviously, then this is the story that I've just uploaded. Let me hit them both at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. And let me check. Alright guys, so this is how you can upload a story which is more than 26 seconds on your Facebook Messenger story. Hope this video is useful guys. If so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you all soon.